Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix HP laptop touchpad not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to double tap in the upper left corner of the touchpad and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the send method guys. Send method, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. In device manager, you just need to expand this mice and other pointing devices. Under here, you can able to see your touchpad driver. Just right click on it and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick, and in here in this model list, you need to select touchpad and then select next. And after that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. In device manager, you just need to expand the human interface devices, and if you see touchpad driver over here, then you just need to right click on it and select the update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers, select let me pick, and select next. After getting done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If update did not working, then you just need to right click on the driver and select uninstall device, and select uninstall and uninstall the device guys. After uninstalling the device, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the fourth method guys. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. You just need to wait for this verification to get 100%. After getting verification 100% complete, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.